What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Making a video on how to repair your PS4 controller analog sticks. If you look on YouTube, you'll find many videos that tell you spray some crap down the analog sticks around it. That wouldn't do shit. Because if you watch here, spray armor, you put armor roll or anything down in here or any lubricant, all it's going to do is go down here and fall on this plastic board here. But the problem is with the analog sticks itself. And I found a fix that you could easily repair it. Now, right now mine is stuttering. And I'm trying to walk, I'll stutter, or might stick, you might be able to move, but there's an easy fix. All you need is some sandpaper, alcohol, Q-tip, and some sort of prying tool and a screwdriver. And this is what you do. You unsolder your rumble packs, disconnect the board. Since mine is the left analog stick, when I push forward, I'm not moving. This is the problem right here. You can spray whatever you want inside here, might fix, mightn't fix, or might even make it worse. So this is the fix here. First you have to pry this off. Have a little clip in there. And you push. This might be a little hard to do. So I have a clip here, and a clip on the side. I'll try the side. Alright, coming up there. Next clip. And yeah. And to gently get it off. Right. Now we take it off. And this is the problem right here. Remember the rotational this going in. Don't know if you guys can see that. So you unpry the screen part off, and you will get tweezers. Probably get some tweezers too. Right, and this part is the problem. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if I can get a magnifying glass in here and see if I can show you what's the problem. Oops, right, turn it. Anyhow, that can't pick up on camera, but the poor problem here is it has some metal or copper contacts here, which somehow or the other get black, so it's not making with the contact inside here for your controller to move forward. So all you need to do is clean it, get fine sandpaper, and you gently clean it out with some menthol spirit and take the fine sandpaper, and you just gently rub it until it get back that kind of color copper supposed to be. And put it back together and your controller work perfectly, because I already done this on this analog sticks. I think was which one? It was the side. I wasn't able to aim up and down properly. And that's the fix, very easy to do. I don't have enough recording time and this is a crappy phone recording on. Hope you guys try it. I can definitely tell you it works.